Hey guys, Andrew here with RCBS. Today, we're breaking down case cleaning so you can decide what's right for your bench and your reloading process. And by the looks of it, you've got a lot of options. We'll cover 3 methods: vibratory, rotary, and ultrasonic cleaning, with a quick how-to guide on each process.
Here's Fred entering his office reloading area with a line of RCBS dies. Modern equipment like this makes it possible for RCBS to turn out precision-eared equipment.
First, vibratory cleaning. RCBS's vibratory case polisher cleans a large number of pistol or rifle cases quickly and efficiently. To use, remove the lid and set aside the solid lid and sifting lid. Fill at least halfway with dry cleaning media. RCBS offers both walnut shell and corncob options. If you're using our case polishing compound, add it in now as well. Load up your cases and replace the lid. Plug in, turn on, and get to cleaning. Your runtime is determined by the condition of your cases and the amount of shine or polish that you're going for. To empty, turn off and unplug. Remove the lid and empty the cases and media into an RCBS rotary case media separator. With several turns of the basket handle, you'll sort out the media, leaving your cases clean and ready to use. Or you can use an RCBS case media sifter and a bucket to easily sort as well. Dump the cases and media into the bucket, attach the media sifter to your vibratory case cleaner, and turn on. Slowly pour the media into the sifter and let the case cleaner run until the media is all back in the bowl and your clean cases are separated. Vibratory cleaning is a straightforward and classic cleaning method with minimal steps that'll make your cases shine. Now, let's look at rotary tumbling with RCBS's rotary case cleaner. This system uses water, a cleaning solution like our ultrasonic rotary case cleaner, and optional stainless steel media to scrub brass inside and out. The rotary cleaner will handle a large amount of rifle or pistol cases and cleans for hours at a time. To use the rotary cleaner, remove the cap, plug, and seal from the drum. Then add your brass. Fill the drum with a pre-mixed solution of water and RCBS case cleaning solution at a 40:1 concentration. That's about 1/3 of a cup of solution to 1 gallon of water. If you're using pins, add your stainless steel media now as well. Install the seal, clear sealing plug, and cap. Make sure the cap is fully tightened on. Put the drum on the base rollers and set your timer switch. In general, if you're cleaning less than 500 pieces of brass, an hour or 2 will get you clean. 500 pieces or more, you may need to clean for 2 or 3 hours. Once done, remove the drum and take off the cap, seal, and plug. Replace with the drain plug and cap. Flip the drum over and drain. Fill with clean water. Shake up and repeat until your water is clean and your brass is rinsed. Then, you're ready to dry your cases. Using a rotary system cleans your entire case and primer pocket extremely well and produces polished brass. It's also great for bulk reloading and working with large batches. The downside, this cleaning process takes time and requires multiple steps, including separating your media, rinsing, and drying. If you want your brass to look brand new and you don't mind a few extra steps, rotary wet tumbling is hard to beat. Finally, ultrasonic cleaning. This includes RCBS Ultrasonic Case Cleaner 1 and 2. Ultrasonic cleaning works by using high frequency vibration in a liquid solution to remove carbon fouling, lubricants, and debris, including inside the case and primer pocket. You can also use ultrasonics to clean more than just cases. For example, firearm parts, tools, reloading dies, or even jewelry. Follow the original manufacturer's guidelines for cleaning if you're using the ultrasonics for materials other than brass. RCBS offers 2 styles of concentrated cleaning solutions for any job. Today, we're cleaning with the Ultrasonic Case Cleaner 2. To operate, make sure your drain valve is closed. Put your brass in the basket and set aside. Then, pour water or cleaning solution into the reservoir. Plug in, turn on, and set your temperature. Once the temperature is correct, place the loaded basket into the cleaning unit and put the lid on. Set your time and press on to start the cleaning. The Ultrasonic 2 has many options, including a degreasing function. Once done cleaning, your unit will turn off. Turn off the power switch, unplug, remove your basket, and follow the directions on your cleaning solution regarding rinsing your brass. Now you can dry your brass and get back to reloading. Ultrasonic is an efficient cleaning method that is a great option for clean internal surfaces and consistency. So which brass cleaning method should you choose? Every reloader has a little different process for cleaning cases, and each method has pros and cons. As long as you end up reloading using clean, consistent brass, mission accomplished. Let us know how you clean your cases in the comment section below. For more information on case prep or other RCBS products, check us out at rcbs.com.